Hey guys, welcome back to S Motorsports. Today I got a product review for you. Today I will be doing a product unboxing and review on a Blendmount radar detector mount for a V1 Gen 2. That's the radar detector that I use. We're gonna take the old one out, show you what I have, and then do an unboxing, take a look at the differences and what the new mount looks like. I haven't opened the box yet, so I haven't seen it yet. I'm curious to see what the quality looks like and how sturdy it is. So I did reach out to Blendmount as well and asked if they could share a discount code, which they did. So I do have a discount code for you guys if you're looking to pick something up, the same mount, or a different mount for a different radar detector, a different blend mount for a different radar detector. So that will be in the description. The link for the discount code should be in there. So, and it only is gonna work until April 27th of 2022. So make sure, if you're thinking about it, make sure you don't wait too long, otherwise the discount code won't work. So let's get to it. So we're in the Camaro. As you can see, this is the V1 Gen 2 that I have. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't really gotten too much into the weeds. I'm just, really finding out about what JBV1, the app on the phone. So I'm getting that all spooled up, which will improve the functionality a ton. Looking at all the options that app has to offer, I'm pretty impressed with everything that it can do. But as you can see, I have just kind of a cheapy mount that off of Amazon, which it works. It definitely holds the protector or the detector sturdy. It doesn't shake or anything. But as you can see, I just have a major gap here, and it's just kind of right in the line of sight. So I want to get this tucked up more, and that's what the blend mount looks like it's going to do for me. So it looks like it positions it back further and tucks it up. So I'm really curious to see how much this improves my visibility and gets because the V1 Gen 2 also has a rear mounted sensor that's trying to go out the back window. And as you can see, if you're kind of at the same level, you're kind of running into the back seat, as the Camaros have a pretty small back window. So getting this up just even an inch higher will help that rear radar get out the back window. So let's get this taken out and then let's unbox the new blend mount. All right, so I got you in a point of view mode. This is how the package came to me. It came really fast, 2-day priority mail, which was nice. You didn't have to wait very long. So let's get this unboxed and see what it looks like. So it is nicely packaged. We got bubble wrap and everything. Looks like instructions. So as you can see, they got the pamphlet with all the different radar detector mounts, just kind of explaining. As you can see, different mounts for different vehicles, as well as, specific radar mounts that are going to work mounting different brands as well, like Escort and Redline. Like I said, I have the V1 Gen 2, so I got that specific. And they do have a vehicle finder on their site, which you just put in your vehicle information and then it will have you select the right radar detector mount depending on what you have, and making sure that you get the right one for the right rear view mirror, as my car has the manual dimming. It's not an automatic dimming mirror. So let's take a look at what comes in the package. All right, it is a nice bubble wrap. Thank you
for your purchase. You got the tools, the little Allen wrenches that looks like zip tie, and a couple hardware. And again, here you got some instructions. Let's open this up and take a closer look. All right, so it looks like it's all put together basically already. So the way it's gonna mount is from the passenger side. It's gonna mount like this on the rear view mirror. And then we have some adjustments for tilting. I think there's a little bit of side to side adjustment this way. So lots of adjustability. There's some also height adjustment there. On mine, on this, I'm probably gonna try and suck that up as high as it goes, just to make sure I get it tucked up to the mirror as much as possible. Let's get a closer look at this mount. As you can see, looks pretty sturdy. I'm gonna try and preset this stuff so I'm not tinkering with it in the car, as it's just easier to adjust out here. Hopefully we get it set right the first time. So I got the old mount out, and you can see by a side-by-side comparison the difference in the height that this is gonna make. So I kinda have the old mount laid out how it would have needed to be set in the car. And this was pretty accurate, that it was pretty level. I couldn't go up any higher with that as it started to hit the mirror in the car. You can see the height. These clamps are basically kind of in line, and you can see how much difference that is. And the new blend mount is, you know, quite a bit smaller too, just in, you know, the mount itself. It's a lot more elegant than this guy. So it should blend in a lot better. So let's get this installed and see how it looks. All right, so I got the mount, the radar mount attached to the blend mount. So now let's get this thrown in. One note I wanted to make though, this was the old mount I was using. You can see that it was narrower, which kind of threw me off for a split second. And I opened my box of my V1 Gen 2, and it had this mount in there as well with the suction cups. So it does tell you in the instructions that you gotta remove the suction cups and use that mount. So that's what I did. All right, let's take a look at what the final install looks like. Oh yeah. See, you can see that it looks so much more tucked up. It's just right at the bottom of the mirror. I have mine is the manual flip mirror, and I just pushed it back. I'll adjust my mirror. It looks pretty good, and that is like perfect. You couldn't ask for a better placement. Maybe I can do a side-by-side shot of what it looked like before. And after. Because it is just perfect placement there instead of way down here. Yeah, that works way better. So let's just fire up the detector and make sure it's still working. Yep, we are good to go.
Okay guys, overall I'm really happy with how the install turned out. It tucks the radar detector perfectly right underneath the mirror, so I couldn't be happier with the placement. where it puts it. It seems super sturdy. I don't believe I'm gonna have any issue driving around. So I do recommend this product, as I think it's gonna be good. Obviously it's a little pricier than the Amazon mount, but you kind of get what you pay for, and I think this is gonna be really nice. Don't forget to hit up that discount link in the description for the Blendmount mounts. Again, they have different mounts for the different radar detectors as well as the different vehicles. So that's it for today. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.